Okay, here we are with the Thoracic Denneroll. This is for upper thoracic placement. This is good for those kyphosis and thoracic Dowager humps. So this is the placement where we talk about upper thoracic placement. As you can see, Monica is again using the assistance of a pillow here. This does help make it easier in the very beginning because it can be quite uncomfortable. So you just lay onto the Denneroll, breathe, relax into it, and then roll off to the side and go ahead and sit up. Here is a close-up of the thoracic Denneroll in its position for the upper thoracic placement. And just remember that if there's any discomfort, to stop at any time. This is the exact same placement. However, you can see Monica's progressed to using no pillow. Always start with the pillow first, and then as time goes and the easier that it gets, then you can progress to the no pillow. Again, when you start with no pillow, make sure that you cut your time frames down just so that you can move into it comfortably. So if you're at 15 minutes, move down to 5 and work your way up again. Now the next little bit is about lower thoracic placement. So the Denneroll is in a completely different arrangement and in a different part of your thoracic spine. So please only do this one if you're advised by us. But lower thoracic placement here, you can see that Monica is extending over with no pillow, breathing comfortably as she lays on the thoracic Denneroll, and as she does her recommended time frame, then she'll get to that point where she rolls off to the side, coming off, not directly sitting up where it would dig into your spine, but just nice and easily rolling off. Here's a close-up of that same view. So if you take the Denneroll, hold it in place, align it with the position that we show you when we give you the Denneroll, relax over. Here's using the pillow so you can see that there's less pressure on the lower thoracics with the pillow. It helps hold you up. And then here's the same positioning again. However, what we're going to be using in this one is showing you with the pillow, whereas the first one was laying down from start to finish without the pillow. So again, when you're going down, building up from 3 minutes each day, adding 1 minute in as you go, comfortable. Never go beyond the point of comfort. Always come off the Denneroll before any discomfort shows up, and if something shows up, then you just mark that time and start the next day at that same time and see if you can reach it.